In this video, I'm unboxing a pair of heavy-duty, high-cut safety boots with steel toes, the exact style worn by security guards and military personnel. While I'm not a soldier or a guard, I bought this specifically for a practical reason, keeping my feet completely safe and protected during heavy rains and street flooding. Join me as I inspect the build quality, materials, steel toe protection, and overall comfort to see if these high-cut boots are worth it for flood resilience and tough everyday conditions. And as you can see, mukhang matibay talaga. And pwedeng panlaban sa baha. At yung steel toe, halatang mayroon talaga. Kasi matigas yung sa dulo. Ayan. Protected yung toes ko nito. Sa anumang hazard na meron sa labas, pati na rin sa mababaw na baha o sa pagulaw-ulan. By the way, may libre pala itong a pair of socks. At maganda naman din yung loob. Ayun, tingnan niyo yung loob. And komportable naman sa paa, suot. Okay naman ang feel. Maayos naman ang lagay ng paa ko sa loob. Yun lang, mahabang sintas, kaya matagal-tagalan na pagsisintas, pero at least protected yung mga paa. Mukhang komportable. Alam nyo, mura lang ito. 619 pesos lang ang binayad ko dito. At ramdam ko yung traction ng outsole. Komportable. Ayos siya. Murang-mura sa halagang 619 lang. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your thoughts and subscribe for more gear reviews and unboxing content. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.